Hello, this is Shashikant, and in this video I'm going to give you the detailed idea related to the seat matrix of MHAAC CET 2020. So let's start from Sir JJ School of Art, Mumbai. Course name is Bachelor of Fine Art in Painting. Choice code is 1101, means this is the school code. You have to mention this. Nowadays you don't need to mention because it's already mentioned in front of the name of the college while choosing. The total seats for BFA Painting is 38. EWS and other sanctioned intake is 10%, which means 3 seats are reserved for EWS. 2 seats are reserved for All India candidates, which is 5% of the total seats. 95% of seats are for Maharashtra state candidates, that means 33 seats. Institute level seats are 0. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट कैंडिडेट के 33 सीट्स में से ओपन कैटेगरी मेल के लिए 6 सीट, ओपन कैटेगरी फीमेल के लिए 3 सीट्स, SEBC जेंट्स के लिए 3 सीट्स, ACBC फीमेल के लिए 1 सीट, डिफेंस के लिए 1 सीट, PWD के लिए 1 सीट, ऑर्फन के लिए 1 सीट, SC मेल के लिए 3 सीट्स, SC फीमेल के लिए 1 सीट, ST मेल के लिए 1 सीट, ST फीमेल के लिए 1 सीट, VJDT मेल के लिए 1 सीट, फीमेल के लिए 0 सीट, NT1 मेल के लिए 1 सीट, फीमेल के लिए 0 सीट, NT2 मेल के लिए 1 सीट, फीमेल के लिए 0 सीट, NT3 मेल के लिए 1 सीट, फीमेल के लिए 0 सीट, OBC मेल के लिए 5 सीट्स और फीमेल के लिए 2 सीट्स। इस तरह से टोटल सीट्स होती है 33। ये महाराष्ट्र स्टेट कैंडिडेट्स के लिए है। इन 33 सीट्स में अगर हम ऐड करते हैं 2 सीट्स ऑल इंडिया कैंडिडेट्स की और 3 सीट्स EWS की, तो इस तरह से टोटल सीट्स हो जाती है 38 for painting in Sir JJ School of Art, Mumbai. Next is Sir JJ School of Art, Mumbai. Course name is BFA Textile Design. Choice code है 1103. Total seats है 19. EWS कैंडिडेट्स के लिए 2 सीट्स, ऑल इंडिया कैंडिडेट के लिए 1 सीट, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट कैंडिडेट्स के लिए 16 सीट्स, इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल 0 सीट्स। अब इन 16 महाराष्ट्र स्टेट कैंडिडेट्स सीट में से ओपन कैटेगरी मेल के लिए 3 सीट्स, ओपन कैटेगरी फीमेल के लिए 1 सीट, ACBC मेल के लिए 1 सीट, ACBC फीमेल के लिए 1 सीट, डिफेंस के लिए 1 सीट, PWD के लिए 1 सीट, ऑर्फन के लिए 0 सीट, SC मेल के लिए 2 सीट, SC फीमेल के लिए 1 सीट, ST मेल के लिए 1 सीट, ST फीमेल के लिए 0 सीट, VJDT के लिए 0 सीट मेल फीमेल, NT1 के लिए 0 सीट्स मेल फीमेल, NT2 के लिए मेल के लिए 1 सीट, फीमेल के लिए 0 सीट, NT3 के लिए 0 सीट्स, OBC मेल के लिए 2 सीट, OBC फीमेल के लिए 1 सीट। इस तरह से टोटल सीट्स 16 हो गई। इन 16 सीट में अगर हम ऐड करते हैं EWS की 2 सीट्स और ऑल इंडिया कैंडिडेट की 1 सीट, तो कुल मिलाकर होती है 19 सीट्स। नेक्स्ट इज सर JJ स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट, मुंबई। कोर्स नेम इज बैचलर ऑफ फाइन आर्ट इन इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन. Choice code is 1104. Total 19 seats are available. For EWS candidates 2 seats. For All India candidate 1 seat. For Maharashtra state candidates total 16 seats and institute level 0 seat. For Maharashtra state candidates, out of 16 seats, 3 seats are for open category male, 1 seat for female candidate open category. For ACBC candidate male 1 seat and for female 1 seat. For defense category 1 seat. For PWD 1 seat and for orphan 0 seat. For SC candidates male 2 seat, female 1 seat. For ST candidate 1 seat for male and 0 seat for female. For VJ and DT 0 seats. For NT1 0 seats. For NT2 1 seat for male, 0 seat for female. For NT3 0 seats. For OBC candidates 2 seats for male, 1 seat for female candidate are reserved. That makes total of 16 seats. And when we add EWS candidates 2 seats and All India candidates 1 seat, then the grand total is 19 seats. Now, Sir JJ School of Art, Mumbai. Course name is Bachelor of Fine Art in Sculpture. Choice code is 1105. Total seats are 7. For EWS 1 seat. For All India candidates 0 seat. For Maharashtra state candidates 6 seats. and institute level 0 seats. So 6 seats are for Maharashtra state candidates. Out of these 6 seats, 1 seat for male open, 1 seat is for female open. For ACBC 1 seat male, for ACBC female 0 seat, for defense 0 seat, for PWD 0 seat, for orphan 0 seat, for SC male 2 seats, for SC female 0 seat, for ST 0 seat, for VJDT 0 seat, NT 0, NT2 0, NT3 0, OBC male 1, OBC female 0, total seats 6, and 1 seat is for EWS, that makes total seats 7. Now Sir JJ School of Art Mumbai, course name is Bachelor of Fine Art in Metalworks, choice code is 1106, total number of seats 7, EWS 1 seat, All India seats 0, Maharashtra state seats 6, institute level 0, open male 1 seat, open female 1 seat, ACBC male 1 seat, ACBC female 0 seat, defense 0, PWD 0, orphan 0, SC male 1 seat, female 0, ST 0, VJDT 0, NT1 male 1 seat, female 0, NT2 0, NT3 0, OBC male 1 seat, OBC female 0, total seats 6 and 1 seat for EWS, that makes total 7 seats. Then Bachelor of Fine Art in Ceramics in Sir JJ School of Art, choice code is 1107, total seats are 7, EWS seat 1, All India candidate seats 0, Maharashtra state seats 6, institute level 0, open male 1 seat, open female 1 seat, ACBC male 1, ACBC female 0, defense 0, PWD 0, orphan 0, SC male 1, SC female 0, ST 0, VJDT 0, NT 0, NT2 0, NT3 male 1 seat, female 0, OBC male 1 seat, female 0, total number 6 seats for Maharashtra states candidate and 1 seat is for EWS, that makes total 7 seats. Then Sir JJ School of Applied Art Mumbai, course name is Bachelor of Fine Art in Applied Art, choice code is 1202, total number of seats 110, 10 seats are for EWS, All India seats 5, Maharashtra state seats 95, institute level 0, open male 18, open female 8, ACBC male 8, female 3, defense 5, PWD 5, orphan 1, SC male 8, female 4, ST male 5, female 2, VJDT male 2, female 1, NT 1, male 1, female, NT2 male 2, female 1, NT3 male 1, female 1, OBC male 13 and female 5. Total 95 seats and 5 seats are for All India, that makes 100, and 10 seats for EWS, that makes 110. Government Chitrakala Mahavidyalay, Nagpur, course name is Bachelor of Fine Art in Applied Art, choice code is 2102, total seats 33, 3 seats are for EWS, All India candidate 1 seat, Maharashtra state candidates 29 seats, institute level 0, open male 6 seat, open female 2 seats, ACBC male 2, female 1, defense male 1, defense 1, PWD 1, orphan 1, SC male 3, female 1, ST male 1, female 1, VJDT male 1, female 0, NT1 male 1, female 0, NT2 male 1, female 0, NT3 male 1, female 0, OBC male 3, female 2, that makes 29 seats, and 1 seat is for All India candidates, that makes 30, and 3 seats for EWS, that makes 33. Government Chitrakala Mahavidyalay, course name is, we call Government College of Art and Design, Nagpur, course name is Bachelor of Fine Art in Painting, choice code is 2101, total seats are 33, EWS 3, All India candidates 30, All India seats 1, Maharashtra state seats 29, institute level 0 seats, for open male 6, for open female 2 seats, ACBC male 2 seats, female 1, defense 1 seat, PWD 1 seat, orphan 1 seat, SC male 3 seats, SC female 1 seat, ST male 1 seat, ST female 1 seat, VJ DT male 1, female 0, NT 1 male 1 seat, female 0, NT 2 male 1, female 0, NT 3 male 1, female 0, OBC male 3, female 2, total 29 seats, 1 seat for All India, that's 30, and 3 seats for EWS, that's 33. Next is Government School of Art and Design, Aurangabad. Course name is Bachelor of Fine Art in Applied Art. Choice code 2202. Total seats 38. 3 seats for EWS candidates. All India candidates 2 seats. Maharashtra State candidates 33 seats. Open category male 6 seats. Open category female 3 seats. SCBC male 3. SCBC female 1. Defense 1. PWD 1. Orphan 1. SC male 3. Female 1. ST male 1, female 1, VJDT male 1, female 0, NT1 male 1, female 0, NT2 male 1, female 0, NT3 male 1, female 0, OBC male 5, female 2, total 33 seats. 3 seats are for EWS and 2 seats are for All India candidates. That makes 38 totals. In Government College of Art and Design, for Bachelor of Fine Art in Painting and for Bachelor of Fine Art in Textile Design, the seats and seat matrix are same, so not repeating separately. Total seats are 17. 2 seats for EWS, All India candidate 1 seat, Maharashtra State 14 seats, Institute level 0 seats, Open male 3 seats, female 1, SCBC male 1, female 1, Defense 1 seat, PWD 1 seat, Orphan 0, SC male 1 seat, female 1, ST male 1, female 0, VJDT 0, NT 1 0, NT 2 0, NT 3 0, OBC male 2, OBC female 1, total 14 seats for Maharashtra State and 2 seats for EWS and 1 seat is for All India candidate, that makes 17. For Rachna Sansad College of Applied Art and Craft Mumbai, BS Bandekar College of Applied Art Sawantwadi, DY Patil College of Applied Art Pune, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Fine Art Pune, Viva Institute of Applied Art Mumbai, Padma Bhushan Vasantdada Patil Pratishthan's College of Engineering Sion. All these colleges are having Bachelor of Fine Art in Applied Art only. This is the only course. यही कोर्स वहाँ पे अवेलेबल है और इनकी सीट मैट्रिक्स सेम है, इसलिए जो मैं सीट मैट्रिक्स अभी बता रहा हूँ वो इन सभी कॉलेज के लिए सेम अप्लाई होगी. टोटल सीट्स 66 फॉर EWS 6 सीट्स, ऑल इंडिया कैंडिडेट्स 2 सीट्स, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट कैंडिडेट्स 46 सीट्स, इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल 12 सीट्स, ओपन मेल 8 सीट्स, फीमेल 4 सीट्स, ACBC मेल 4 सीट्स, फीमेल 2 सीट्स, डिफेंस 2 सीट्स, PWD 2 सीट्स, ऑर्फन 1 सीट, SC मेल 4 सीट्स, फीमेल 2 सीट्स, ST मेल 2 सीट्स, फीमेल 1 सीट, VJDT मेल 1 सीट, फीमेल 0 सीट्स, NT1 मेल 0 सीट, फीमेल 1 सीट, NT2 मेल 1 सीट, फीमेल 0 सीट, NT3 1 सीट फॉर मेल, 0 सीट फॉर फीमेल, OBC मेल 6 seats, female 3 seats, total 46 seats. 6 seats are for EWS and 2 seats are for All India candidates. That makes total 66 seats for each of these colleges. This is the seat matrix for Bachelor of Fine Art admissions.